guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making butter icing. We'll be needing 3 ingredients for this, which is our icing sugar, butter and vanilla extract. 500 grams of icing sugar, 250 grams of butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We'll be needing water later. So guys, I'll be sieving the icing sugar to get it loose. I'm going to sieve all the 500 grams of icing sugar. So that is the last part. I'm through sieving the icing sugar. The next process will be me creaming my butter. That is the 250 grams of butter. I'll be mixing it with my hand mixer. I'll cream only the butter until it's reduced in the yellowish color, as in getting pale, before I'll start adding my icing sugar. I do this for like 5 minutes with my hand mixer. So you can see it's getting pale. It's no more longer that very yellow butter color. So I'll be adding in my vanilla flavor. I'll mix it together. Then I'll start adding in my icing sugar bit by bit. You can lower your hand mixer now because of the dust of the icing sugar. So I'll continue adding it and mixing it till I'm through with the icing sugar. Now I'm through mixing it. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of water. Guys, if you don't know the product of your icing sugar, add it 1 spoon at a time. So I'm through adding it. Can you see how it is? Very smooth. I'll be showing you the cake I use this butter icing for. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.